And in terms of the structure from this first, like this structure of a free quiz, some freebies after, and then one-to-one or group sessions on the back of that. What are your thoughts about that as a structure?
Okay, so can you say that one more time? It's the structure is
So the sequence of the offer for this Ready to Love program is a free quiz to see how ready for love they are, followed by the freebies like meditations, and subsequently they can then book some kind of session or or like a an ongoing thing, like a 6 week commitment.
I see. It's not a bad sequence. I think that's a fine sequence. If there was a hitch in that, I would just say, how are you going to build the trust with them so that they would want to book a one-on-one session, which is a big risk for people, um, and that it would be an easy thing to say yes to the higher end 6 week or 6 month program that you have. And will a meditation do it? I don't know. You might want to check out my work on starter kits. If you just go on YouTube, Tad Hargrave starter kit, you'll find a couple things. But I think what people are craving is, I mean, an experience like this is good, like a meditation, that's fine. And people are still wondering, what's your point of view? What's your take? What's your philosophy overall on how to make these romantic relationships work? And until and unless that is satisfied, it's just satisfied for them, they're almost certainly not going to buy it. So, if they don't buy the concept, they're not going to buy the course. So that's what we have to share, not just the program, but the premises that the program is based on, all put together in one big juicy piece of context. We tend to think, oh, well, what's the content that I can give people that would have them want to sign up? But much more important is that they get the context through which you see all of your content, the context that holds all of your content, rather than here's a discrete meditation on this or here's an article on this, to give them the big picture so they can know if it's a fit or not.
All right. All right. All right. Thank you.